Hello all, in this video we will discuss the chapter 11 of Madhubun Saral Hindi Pathmala textbook for class 2. And the chapter 11 is Tamatar ka paudha. In this video I will explain the meaning of the chapter and also the entire chapter will be written in English so that it will be easy for parents who doesn't know to read Hindi to teach their kids. Let's move on to the video. So chapter 11 is nothing but aw ki matra ka abhyas or practice. So you have to first understand how to write aw ki matra and how does it sound when you add this aw ki matra to other vyanjans or letters. Okay, so now kids, you know what is O ki matra, right? O ki matra is nothing. It's just that you add the O sound to the other vyanjan. So it is ko, and when you add aw ki matra it becomes cow. Understand the difference? So is o ki matra and aw ki matra when you add it to sa it becomes sow. Ja plus aw, jow. La plus aw, low. Ta plus aw, tow. Okay, so o ki matra ko, aw ki matra cow. So sow, jo, jow, lo, low, to, tow. Similarly, you also have to be familiar with words with aw ki matra. So let's practice. Or, aur, shock, shauk, gori, gauri, cone, cown. So aw ki matra is aw, adding aw sound to the vyanjans. Hope you are clear with aw ki matra. Right? The pronunciation, also the identification. Ow, cow, sow, jow, low, tow, or shock, gauri, corn. So these are the examples. You can try adding this aw ki matra with other vyanjans and pronounce it correctly. Okay? So aw ki matra se bane shabd, words having aw ki matra. So what are the words? The first word is auzar, means tools. Kawa, crow. Aushadi, medicine. Aurat, women. Tauliya, towel. So auzar, kawa, aushadi, aurat, tauliya. So these are aw ki matra se bane shabd from your textbook, page number 62. So there are other words too in the textbook. Read it so that you will be familiar with the pronunciation of aw and the words made up of, to read the words made up of aw ki matra. Now, jaw, dod, paudha, lauki, bauna, nauka, chowda, mausi, chowki, kachowdi, hatodi, chowdha, chowkhat, chowkidar. So these are the words written in your textbook, page number 62. You just have to read it. I'll read once more. Now, jaw, daud, paudha, lauki, bauna, nauka, chowdha, mausi, chowki, kachodi, hatodi, chowdha, chowkhat, chowkidar. Okay, so this is how you read aw ki matra words. Kids, please understand the difference between the sounds. Okay, and reading will always help you to understand better. Chapter 11, Tamatar ka paudha. Tamatar, tomato. Paudha, plant. Tomato, plant. गौरी और सौरभ ने एक पौधा लगाया. गौरी, name of a girl, or and Saurabh, in name of a boy. Ek, one, paudha, plant, lagaya, planted. So Gauri and Saurabh planted a plant. वे पौधे को हर रोज पानी देते. पौधे को means to the plant. हर रोज, रोज हर रोज means every day. पानी water देते, gave. So they watered it every day. वे पौधे को हर रोज पानी देते. ओके. सूरज की गर्मी से पौधा बड़ा हुआ. सूरज सन, गर्मी हॉट, पौधा प्लांट, बड़ा grew or grown. Okay, so Gauri and Saurabh planted a plant. They watered it every day. The sun's heat helped the plant grow. गौरी और सौरभ ने एक पौधा लगाया. वे पौधे को हर रोज पानी देते. सूरज की गर्मी से पौधा बड़ा हुआ. उस पर हरे हरे मटर जैसा कुछ लगा. उस पर, on that, हरे हरे, हरे means, हरा means green. Okay, मटर, peas, the vegetable peas, pea pod, peas. जैसा, जैसा means something like that, कुछ, something like that, लगा. So something like green peas appeared on it. Appeared on what? That plant which Gauri and Saurabh planted. Saurabh ने दादाजी को बुलाया. दादाजी, grandfather. Grandfather means paternal grandfather, father's father. को बुलाया. बुलाया, called. So Saurabh called his grandfather. Gauri बोली. Gauri, since it is a girl, it is boli. If it is a boy, it is bola. Okay, so Gauri boli, told. दादाजी, ये मटर देखो. Grandpa, ये, these, this, मटर, peas, देखो, see. Look at these peas. Okay. उस पर हरे हरे मटर जैसा कुछ लगा. सौरभ ने दादाजी को बुलाया. गौरी बोली, दादाजी, ये मटर देखो. Something like green peas appeared on the plant planted by Saurabh and Gauri. Saurabh called Dadaji or grandfather and Gauri said, grandfather, look at these peas. दादाजी मुस्कुरा उठे. बोले, नाना, बच्चों, यह टमाटर का पौधा है. इस पर टमाटर लगा है. यह पहले पीला होगा, फिर लाल. दादाजी मुस्कुरा उठे means मुस्कुराना, smile. Okay, so दादाजी मुस्कुरा उठे means grandpa smiled. बोले, said, ना ना, no no, बच्चों, children, यह, this, टमाटर, tomato, पौधा, plant. Children, this is a tomato plant. इस पर, on that, tomato, टमाटर लगा है. There are tomatoes on it. यह पहले, यह means, पहले means first, पीला, yellow, फिर लाल, फिर means then, लाल, red. So grandpa smiled and said, no no children, this is a tomato plant. There are tomatoes on it. It will be yellow at first, then red. So actually the grandpa replied to Gauri when Gauri said that, see grandpa, there are green peas on it, on the plant. So grandpa said, no no kids, this is not peas, these are tomatoes on it, and the tomatoes firstly it will be yellow and then they will turn out to be red. बच्चे रोज पानी देते रहे. पौधे पर बहुत टमाटर लगे. टमाटर पहले हरे थे, फिर पीले हो गए और फिर लाल हो गए. बहुत टमाटर निकले. So बच्चे रोज. See, if you can find a dot below the jar, it is not rose, it becomes rose. Z. Okay, so you have to read z. Rose. So बच्चे रोज पानी देते रहे. बच्चे, kids, रोज, every day, पानी, water देते रहे means gave. So the children watered the plant daily. पौधे पर बहुत टमाटर लगे. The plant bore many tomatoes. टमाटर पहले हरे थे. पहले means first. हरा means green. So the tomatoes were green at first. फिर पीले हो गए. पीला means yellow. Then it turned yellow और फिर लाल हो गए. लाल red. And then it became red. बहुत. बहुत means more. Okay, in abundance. टमाटर निकले. They grew in abundance, or there were many tomatoes coming out of the paudha or plant. I'll read once more. बच्चे रोज पानी देते रहे. पौधे पर बहुत टमाटर लगे. टमाटर पहले हरे थे, फिर पीले हो गए और फिर लाल हो गए. बहुत टमाटर निकले. The children watered the plant daily. The plant bore many tomatoes. The tomatoes were green at first, then yellow, then red. They grew in a lot, or they grew in abundance. Okay? सबने खाए. सबने, everybody, खाना, eating, खाए, ate. Okay? दादी जी ने चटनी भी बनाई. चटनी means the dish, right? So दादी जी, grandmother. Dadi ji means paternal grandmother. Okay? And if it is Nani ji, maternal grandmother from mom's side. This is from dad's mother. Okay? दादी जी ने चटनी भी बनाई. बनाना, to make, बनाई, made. दादाजी बोले. बोले, told. बहुत बढ़िया थे. लाल लाल मटर. So Dachaji said, oh, it was bahut badhiya means they were delicious or very good. Those red peas. Okay. And then Gauri and Saurabh said, lal tomato. So Gauri Saurabh said, red tomatoes. Correct? It is not butter, it is tomatoes, right? Okay. So, sabne khai. Everyone ate them. Grandma even made chutney out of it. Grandpa said, oh, they were delicious, those red peas. So, Gaurav and Saurav said, red tomatoes. सबने खाए. दादी जी ने चटनी भी बनाई. दादाजी बोले, बहुत बढ़िया थे लाल लाल मटर. गौरी और सौरभ बोले, लाल टमाटर. So that was about the chapter Tamatar Ka Paudha. So now let's move on to the exercise on page number 65 of your textbook. Bol kar likho. Speak and write. Paudha, plant. Daudna, running. Tauliya, towel. Lauki, God, the type of vegetable, right? So lauki, God. Tauliya, towel. Daudna, running. Paudha, plant. You have to speak and write. Sunkar samjho. Listen and understand. So now you will be able to understand O ki matra and Au ki matra. Right? You can identify, right? There is O ki matra and Au ki matra. Now you have to know to understand the sound too while reading. Shok, shauk. Shok means sorrow. Right? Grief. Shauk. Shauk means hobby. Okay. Shauk means hobby. Gauri. Gauri is the name of the girl. Gauri means fair. Jo, Jao. Okay. So whatever Jo, Jao means. Yeah. So this is just for your understanding the Oki Matra and Auki Matra difference. Okay. So please listen and understand. Shok, Shok, Shauk, Gori, Gauri, Jo, Jao. For understanding the difference between Oki Matra and Auki Matra. So next is Uttar Do. Give the answer. Question number 1. बच्चों ने किसका पौधा लगाया? What plant did the children plant? बच्चों ने टमाटर का पौधा लगाया. The children planted a tomato plant. Question number 2. दादाजी ने क्या बताया? दादाजी ने बताया यह टमाटर का पौधा है. So, what did the grandfather tell them? So, grandfather said it was a tomato plant. Question number 3. पानी देने से क्या हुआ? क्या, what, हुआ, happen. पानी देना means giving water. What happened after watering it? पानी देने से पौधा बड़ा हो गया. बड़ा means grew. पौधा plant. पानी देने means giving water. So the plant grew bigger after watering it. पानी देने से पौधा बड़ा हो गया. Question number 4. दादी जी ने टमाटर से क्या बनाया? क्या बनाया means made. What did grandma make with the tomatoes? दादी जी ने टमाटर से चटनी बनाई. Grandmother made tomato chutney. Okay. दादी जी ने टमाटर से चटनी बनाई. She made chutney using with the tomatoes. Okay, or using or with the tomatoes. दादी जी ने टमाटर से चटनी बनाई. सही क्रम में लगाओ. सही क्रम में लगाओ means write in the correct order, like sequencing the story. Okay, so first sentence. सूरज की गर्मी से पौधा बड़ा हुआ. I am not writing that in English because it's already explained in the chapter. Okay. दादी जी ने चटनी भी बनाई. बच्चों ने एक पौधा लगाया. यह टमाटर का पौधा है. पौधे पर बहुत टमाटर लगे. So what is the first sequencing? What is the first thing happened? बच्चों ने एक पौधा लगाया. The kids planted a plant. Okay, so that is the first. The second one, सूरज की गर्मी से पौधा बड़ा हुआ. So because of sun's heat, the plant grew big. So the third one is यह टमाटर का पौधा है. So grandfather said, right, this is tomato plants. So यह टमाटर का पौधा है. So that is the third sequence. And the fourth, पौधे पर बहुत टमाटर लगे. There were lots of tomato in the tomato plant. Okay, then the fifth one is दादी जी ने चटनी भी बनाई. So I am not explaining here again because it's already discussed in the chapter. Understand the sequence, okay, and do it accordingly. Fine. So next is पक्षियों के नाम लिखो. पक्षियों के नाम. Write the bird's name. In the textbook, they have given the picture of the birds. You have to write it in the blanks. So first one is crow, which is kauva. Second is sparrow, which is gauraiya. Gauraiya. Third is peacock, more. Then the fourth, tota, parrot. Then koel, cuckoo, maina, maina, the bird. Okay. So with this we have completed the exercises. Fine, for the chapter. So we have completed chapter 11 discussion. By this you must be able to write Auki Matra words, identify Auki Matra words, and also write the name of the birds by seeing the picture without any spelling error. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Happy learning. Thank you.